To enter maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you need to open up Settings. Then scroll and select Device Care, and then look for the option Maintenance Mode and tap on it. From here, you then need to choose whether you want to create a temporary cloud backup or if you want to create an external storage backup in case something goes wrong in maintenance mode. So it's up to you to decide, and then you can just tap on Turn On. You can choose to create a log, or you can choose to just leave it disabled and then restart your phone. Verify your identity by entering in your current lock screen PIN, password, or pattern, and then wait for it to switch in maintenance mode. Bear in mind during the switch, your phone will restart, so go ahead and just wait patiently. And then once you're in maintenance mode, you can just go ahead and unlock your device as you would as normal. And you'll notice that any of your installed apps or even files are no longer available for anyone to access. This means that your data is kept safe and secure without you worrying about any of them being accessed, but someone can still perform a maintenance on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.